Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how you can print in Google Docs. So if you want to print your Google documents on paper, there are a couple of ways how you can print. Firstly, you can use shortcut, which is Ctrl+P on your keyboard. If you are on Mac, it's Command+P. And if you press this shortcut, it's going to open this window. And from here you can set everything to print. If you don't want to use shortcut, you can either click on this print icon in this menu, or you can click on File, Print, and you're gonna be here as well. So firstly, you can keep this on Save as PDF, then you can select pages you want to print. So let's say, for example, if you have document with multiple pages, here you can select maybe odd pages only or even, or you can also select custom pages. So I can type number 1, I can type 2, I can type 6, but currently I don't have those pages, so it's not going to work for me. So I'm gonna keep it on all. Then you can choose pages per sheet. Then you can change the margins if you want. If you want to customize this even further, you can click on print using system dialog, and this will open this menu where you can also change the paper size. So currently I have A4, but I can change this to maybe US legal. Here you can change or add your printer, so you want to make sure you have your printer here added. And also you can change number of copies here. So in my case, I have this invitation. So if I want to print this, let's say 50 times, I can type 50. You can change orientation. If you have maybe book or something with the landscape format, you can change it here. You can change scaling. We have some layout options. And if you are ready, you're just going to click on printer. Currently, I don't have any printer, so I can't print, but you will have option to print if you have printer connected, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.